Namaste. Vishnu Kushwaha with you. I'm JVN Professor Manju Sharma. Program name and method same. Subject name Secretary Senior Secondary Education. Module name Ability to think independently and reflect critically on social issues. The skills that we need in order to able to think critically are varied and include observation, analysis, interpretation, reflection, evaluation, inference, explanation, problem solving, and decision making. Specifically, we need to be able to think about a topic or issues in an objective and critical way. Critical thinking is the intellectual discipline process of actively and skillfully conceptualizing, applying, analyzing, synthesizing, and or evaluating information gathered from general generated by observation, experience, reflection, reasoning, or communication as a guide to belief and action. Scriven, 1996. Most formal definitions characterized critical thinking as the international application of rational, higher order thinking skills such as analysis, synthesis, problem recognition, and problem solving inference and evaluation. Critical thinking is thinking that assesses itself. Critical thinking is the ability to think about one's thinking in such a way one to recognize its strengths and weakness and as a result to recast the thinking and improve for critical thinking. Characteristics of critical thinking. BAD 1995 identifies 8 characteristics of critical thinking. Critical thinking involves asking questions, defining a problem, examining evidence, analyzing assumptions and biases, avoiding emotional reasoning, avoiding oversimplification, considering other interpretations, and tolerating ambiguity. Dealing with ambiguity is also seen by Storm Bookus, 1995. As an essential part of critical thinking, ambiguity and doubt serve a critical thinking function and are a necessary and even a productive part of the process. Another characteristic of critical thinking defined by many sources is metacognition. Metacognition is thinking about one's own thinking. More specifically, metacognition is being aware of one's thinking as one performs specific tasks and then using this awareness to control what one is doing. Dispositions. Critical thinkers are skeptically open-minded, value fair-mindedness, respect, evidence, and reasoning respect, charity, and precision. Look at different points of view and will change positions when reason leads them to go to do so. Criteria. To think critically must apply criteria. Need to have conditions that must be met for something to be judged as believable. Although the argument can be made that each subject has different criteria. Some standards apply to all subjects. An assertion must be based on relevant, accurate facts, based on credible sources, precise, unbiased, free from logical fallacies, logically consistent, and strongly reasoned. Arguments is a statement or proposition with supporting evidence. Critical thinking involves identifying, evaluating, and constructing arguments, reasoning the ability to infer a conclusion from one or multiple premises. To do so requires examining local relationship among statements or data. Point of view, the way one views the world, which shapes one's construction of meaning. In a search for understanding, critical thinkers view phenomena from many different points of views. Procedures for applying criteria, other types of thinking, use a general procedure. Critical thinking make use of many procedures. The procedures include asking questions, making judgments, identifying assumptions. Why teach critical thinking? Students, as too often being passive receptors of information through technology, the amount of information available today is massive. The information explosion is likely to continue in the future. Students need a guide to weed through the information and not just passively accept it. Students need to develop and effectively apply critical thinking skills to their academic studies, to the complex problems that they will face, and to the critical choices they will be forced to make as a result of the information exploration and other rapid technological changes. Cooperative learning strategy. Cooper 1995 argues that putting students in group learning situations is the best way to foster critical thinking. In properly structured cooperative learning environment, students perform more of the active critical thinking with continuous support and feedback from other students and their teacher. Case study discussion method make that 1995 describes this method as the teacher presenting a case or story to the class without a conclusion using prepared questions. The teacher then leads students through a discussion, followed student to construct a conclusion for the case. Using questions identifies way of using questions in the classroom. Reciprocal peers question. Following lecture, the teacher displays a list of questions. Student must write questions about the lecture material. Material. Reader's questions require students to write questions on assigned reading and turn them in at the beginning of class. Select a few of the questions at the inputs of class discussion. Conferences style learning. The teacher does not teach the class in the sense of lecturing. The teacher is a facilitator of a conference. Students must truly read all required material before class. Assigned reading should be in the zone of proximal development. That is, reading should be able to be understood by students, but also challenging. The class consists of the student asking questions of each other and discussing these questions. The teacher does not remain passive, but rather help direct and mold discussions by posing strategic questions and helping students build on each other's ideas. This session is powered by 2. Digital 2.0 version, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Have you any query? Write comment in box, resolve your query. Thank you.